Chrissy and I'm back at it again with another video, and in today's video I'll be doing a crochet hair review for you guys. It is this hair that I have in right now. As you guys know, in my crochet hair reviews I talk about price, I give you all the hair info, the maintenance, is it water or active friendly, would I buy it again, all the pros, cons, you know, all the zhuzh that you may need. If you are interested in this hair, then definitely keep on watching. So you guys know the hair that I'll be reviewing is this Crochet Goddess box braids that I did install a few weeks back on my channel. If you have not watched that video, definitely go and check it out now, and then you can come back to see my final thoughts of this hair. I have had this hair in for about a month. Technically tomorrow is gonna make it a month, like officially, but I want to take it out tomorrow. But yes, your girl got a long wear out of this hair. Okay, I've had this hair in for 4 weeks, and if you guys did watch my initial install review, you will know that I wasn't really feeling this hair at first. I don't know if it was just the 14 inches throwing me off, because I usually get my crochet styles a little bit longer. The only styles that I get that are really short in crochet hair are like the curly ones. But I decided to try something new with this Goddess box braids. So this is in 14 inches in the color 1B30 and 27. I did get it off Amazon. Again, I'll leave all the links that you will need down in the description box below. But I will say it did grow on me a little bit, and I did say I wouldn't buy this hair again, but if I was one who actually didn't mind wearing crochet box braids, I would definitely buy this hair again. Okay, the quality of this hair, I think it is pretty good. Okay, it is water friendly and it is active friendly. I did wash my hair with this style and it held up really well. I will say this is a low maintenance type of hair. From the first time I installed it, I did put in some mousse, and then I applied mousse like one other time, but that was basically it. I will say the curls did fall a little bit, but that's with any little boho goddess, like just synthetic curly hair, it will fall after a while of wearing it, which I didn't mind. So this is how it looks after washing my hair, doing my, you know, TLC of my own hair under here, and I think it's totally fine. I will say though, for me it did tangle, or it is like tangled, but not in a bad way. Like if you run your hands through it, sometimes your fingers will get like hooked because of the goddess pieces, but it doesn't show in person really bad, which is super good. Unlike my crochet lock video, the goddess one that I did, that you could tell that the hair was matting, there was frizz, and you had to do a little bit more to that. But with this hair, even though it is goddess, the curly pieces, for some reason they blend really well and you can't really see the frizz or the messiness that bad. I have not cut out any hair, I've not clipped anything. Literally all I do is I put my hair in a ponytail with a scrunchie, put on my bonnet and go. The only thing that I really do is apply my oil to the roots of my hair and do my edges, and that's pretty much it. Like it is super low maintenance. I didn't get a chance to swim for you guys, but as I said, I did wash my hair and it didn't really change. The quality didn't really change. I will say the feel did change, but after about a week and a half of wearing it, I did not have that silky texture anymore. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can just see what I'm talking about. So when I first got the hair was really silky, and after a while of wearing it, you know the texture is gonna change. It's gonna feel a little bit harder, but it's still not as coarse as, you know, some of the other hairs out there. Let me do a quick little spin for you guys so you guys can see the back and everything. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, if I wanted to wear this more, I could, but I just don't like how my edges and, you know, like the new growth is showing. I feel like it would look more real if I had like locks instead of braids. So that's also another reason why I don't really like wearing crochet braids. But I will say, if you're one who likes wearing crochet braids, you want it to be active, friendly, low maintenance, good quality, and the price of this was very affordable, then this hair is the hair for you. Okay, they have a bit of few color combos as well, so I think this is a good choice for any vacation, or just if you have a busy schedule and you just don't want to be doing your hair a lot, this is the perfect hair. I will say one of like my cons is as well is the pre-looped part of the hair. Some of them were a little bit tough, so you will find that when you put the hair onto your hair, the part that is looped, it kind of has like a little bulge because it's kind of hard, and no matter what I did or how I put it in, it still had that little bulge, and it was like a little bit too, that is like, it just sticks up, and no matter how I like put it in, it still has that little lump, that little bump. Another con of mine is because the hair is so silky, it was so soft, it would kind of loosen up a bit, because there were some times I was running my hands through my hair and just like touching my scalp, and I would realize that some of the crochet hair was loose, and I kind of had to like pull it to tighten it. There have been a few times where it actually, I went like this and I pulled and one of them did come out, so I didn't really like that about it. But if you do want a low maintenance hair, a hair that's water friendly, active friendly, affordable, and it did take me about 2 hours to install this hair, then I would definitely say get this hair. For me personally, I wouldn't really buy this hair again because I don't really like box braids crochet hair, but that's just a personal preference. I will say though, I feel like I could possibly reuse this hair if I wanted to, and I'm also that type of girl. If I get any kind of twists, locks, I do reuse it. If it's good quality, I just wash it and put it up. But for this one, I'm wondering if I should just keep it for like a rainy day, or if I should just like, you know, that's it. But I'm thinking I might keep it, but just repurchase like a taller length in the hair. I feel like it would look, you know, super cute. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this review. If I'm missing anything, I'll leave it down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. It's your girl Chrissy, and I'm signing out. Bye.